Hi students, how are you? Hope you are doing great. So now let's go into a very interesting problem. CBSE 2023 PYQs questions. Okay. Now see here what they have given. Two charge conducting spheres of radii A and B are connected to each other by a wire. Okay. So there have been two conducting spheres. So we know that in conducting spheres the charges always stays in the outside. Okay. They said it is having two charged conducting spheres A and B. So let's take the radius is going to be A and another one sphere it's going to have a radius of b is given are connected by a either by a wire. So each other by a wire we are going to connect. Let's take the charge is going to be q1 here, this is going to be q2. Okay, they didn't say whether the charge is positive or negative, so I'm going to take both q1 and q2 to be positive, so they are the a and b. Okay, now they are saying the ratio of their field are these surfaces. So on the surface what is the field for this, we should know. Let's take it's going to be EA. Similarly, you take what is the field on the second sphere. Okay, it's going to be EB. They said they are being connected by an empty wire. Na? See, very important point is when the two spheres are being joined like this, potentials will be same at the end. For example, here Q1, here Q2 is there. When they are being joined, the potential in the first sphere and the potential in the second sphere both going to be equal. So that is the wire when we join two spheres with. Okay. Now, what is the charge here? Come on. Potential on the sphere we know. So even though this is second chapter, you can note down like kq by r is the potential due to the sphere on the surface. Okay. So kq1 divided by radius A. Similarly, kq2 by b. Okay. Kk will get cancelled. Finally, what you will get? Q1 by q2 is nothing but what? A by B. We got this expression. Next, they asked what is the electric field on the surfaces. So let's see what is the field on the surface. It's going to be EA by EB. Okay, they are asking the ratio Q1 divided by A square. Similarly, if you take KQ2 by B square. So this is the electric field. KQ by R square is the field on the surface. We know this. Now KK we need to get cancelled. So if it goes up, so Q1 by Q2 we will get, on numerator we get what? B square by A square. Now Q1 and Q2 what we know? A by B na? So A by B into B square by A square. So this is going to get cancelled. So finally you will get B by A. So final answer A by EB is going nothing but what? B by A. Now the very important point which I applied is they said two charge sphere. That's it. They said they are being connected by a wires. Okay, they didn't talk about anything. So when the wires are being joined, I have taken the charges are going to be Q1 and Q2. Then from that, if this wires are being joined, the potential on the VA and the potential on VB on the both the spheres should be equal. That is a condition. So from that I got Q1 by Q2. Then I applied in the electric field ratio. I got the answer. Okay. So like this, subscribe to our channel. So regularly we will see the videos. I will meet you in the next video.